This advertising network is called AdBlade, and it's a network that enables you to create content style ads, just like this example on your screen here. So basically creating ads that are embedded into a site that look like they're actually related to that site content. So what we're going to do is give you a quick example here. So I'm over here at their advertisers section, and what you can see is they work with some of the world's most trusted news websites, Fox News, Yahoo, etc. So basically your advert would be placed on a news or newspaper type website. These AdBlade don't work with long tail ugly websites, only real authorities in the news area. So as you can see, here are the type of ads that will be displayed. So they'll actually look like they're part of the website where the ads are being displayed. So they'll look like they're actual content on that specific website. Now what that means is that people will not ignore them. So basically ad blindness, which means that you will see an ad on the side of a website, you'll know it's an ad straight away and you'll just ignore it, doesn't really happen with these type of ads. So this platform also enables you to do retargeting, which is if someone's already visited your website, you'll then leave a cookie on their in their browser, and you can actually advertise specifically to those people again. So there are some really good advertising options on this site, and you only need to spend a $50 deposit to get started, and you can either do cost per click, so you know exactly how much you're paying per click, or you can do cost per 1,000 impressions. So this is definitely a platform that you should be looking at, especially if you have high quality content that you want to advertise.